Hello students, today's topic is pronunciation. Pronunciation is very important. It's the way in which a word or a language that is spoken. To learn the language, pronunciation is very important. If we have correct pronunciation, then listener can easily understand it. So for teacher, it's also necessary to speak clearly so that students can learn the correct pronunciation of the word. Whatever we are speaking, what we speak, the learner also learn the same. So it is important that we should speak correct vowel and consonant. There are 44 sounds in English and they are having different sounds. And for pronunciation, what happens when we speak, when we pronounce the word, we push our ear or lungs up to the throat and vocal throats through mouth, pass our tongue and out between our teeth and lips. Means it means that we are doing the exercise of the mouth. So what the word we are going to speak, we have to speak in the same way. It should not be wrong. For creating the correct vowel and consonant sound using the muscles of the mouth, tongue and lips, that we all should learn it properly. The important is the use of word stress, sentence stress, linking, intonations. Means it helps you to speak correctly. Suppose I am giving an example. Suppose I am saying honesty. Honesty, the spelling is H, but I am not speaking here H. It is silent. Honesty we are saying. So many English words are there where we put, suppose sheep, and S is speaking. Means we are putting stress on S. Is sheep. In one more example I am giving to you, one syllable word ending in a single word, and if we put single consonant or double consonant before the suffix, then we have putting the stress on the next one. Suppose I am saying run and I am putting there ing, it is become running. So like this we are having different words changed after the using of the suffix and prefix. Look at the picture here I mentioned you. See the movement of the mouth at the different alphabets. If suppose if I am speaking A or L or T or F, so they are having different movements and we should know it well. Now the tips of this pronunciation. Speak entire phrase aloud to practice and rhyme of new language. It is very necessary if you want to correct your pronunciation. Speak loudly. Do the practice. Otherwise, it's not possible. It will not improve. Especially in English, it's a target language. It's not our mother tongue. So for a learner, you need to do a lot of practice for this. You can you read the English newspaper. You can watch the English movies also, and you can do the practice through drill also. So like this, you can improve your pronunciation skill. Finally, I'll just say that whatever the thing is this, that pronunciation students have to pay more attention. For good pronunciation, you need to do a lot of practice. You need to do a lot of requirement of speaking. You must create the atmosphere either in your class or at home to speak in your target language and practice it more. Okay, thank you.